Welcome to the core of battery manufacturing. Today, we'll delve into two critical processes in lithium-ion battery production: electrode assembly. Each step determines the battery's performance and safety. Spot welding comes as the next process after rolling pressing. These gossamer-thin metal foils are uniformly coated with active materials, forming the heart muscle of the battery. The electrode enters the tension control system. Constant tension ensures the sheet remains flat and wrinkle-free, forming the foundation for subsequent precision steps. This is the core of electrode assembly tab formation. The die punches conductive tabs with micron-level precision. These tabs are the gateways for energy exchange between the battery and the external world. After formation, the tabs move directly into the welding process. Using high-energy, low-heat impact precision welding, the tabs are firmly bonded to the current collector, ensuring stable and reliable current flow. Every electrode must pass the eagle eye inspection. High-definition cameras detect coating defects and dimensional deviations, ensuring only perfect electrodes proceed. The finished electrodes are neatly rewounded and transferred to the winding area by an automated system. The battery's core components are now ready. Next, these electrodes will meet the separator, beginning the transformative journey of battery formation.
Motoma. Power into the future.